Hey everyone, it's Bitcoin Brian here with Bitcoin Fam, and today I'm going to do a video on Ethereum and its token ETH. So if you could, hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, leave a comment, all of that will really help us out. So before I get going with the video today, I have to put out the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. It's just my views and opinions and me sharing what I'm looking at and doing in the crypto space. So anyway, let's get right into Ethereum. But it's the number 2 crypto in the world. So anyway, what is Ethereum? Ethereum, what happens is it's this ecosystem that people can build decentralized apps on it. So, and it's free and global, pseudo-private, without restrictions. No company owns Ethereum. So it's totally decentralized. And what happens is, out of all the dApps out there in blockchain crypto world, at least half of them are being built on Ethereum. So it's definitely the place to go. Yes, there's other cryptos out there, ecosystems like Solana and whatnot, that are gaining traction, but not like Ethereum. So they're saying maybe some of them will eventually, like Solana is big into the games, but Ethereum is really big into DeFi. It's being used to build all the dApps for the DeFi ecosystems, a lot of NFTs, a lot of other things that Ethereum's being used for and built on. And it's the smart contracts and everything that goes along with Ethereum. So, I mean, you can see, what can Ethereum do? Banking for everyone, an open internet, a peer-to-peer network, censorship resistant, commerce guarantees, composable products. There's so much that Ethereum is doing. It's amazing. Right here, this again, I'll show you how to get to these links from CoinGecko, but this is welcome to Ethereum. This is a pretty cool site to go through. I've gone through here. You can pick a wallet. You can get Ethereum from here, choose a network. It's a new way to use the internet. There is so much information in this link, this ethereum.org link. It's the strongest ecosystem. You can look at activity from all Ethereum networks. There's $138 billion value locked in DeFi. There's $114 billion value protecting Ethereum. Average transaction cost has gone way down. It's only just under 7 cents, 6.6 cents. Transactions in the last 24 hours, 17 million. So that's transactions that have gone on dApps that are on the Ethereum platform. I don't think Ethereum itself, from Ethereum to Ethereum, is doing that many transactions, but the dApps that are built on that ecosystem. And then you can go through here. You can actually go through and get more in depth of what is Ethereum, what are crypto wallets. I mean, they have so much information in here. Blockchain's biggest builder community. Ethereum is home to Web3's largest and most vibrant developer ecosystem, using JavaScript and Python. Or learn a smart contract language like Solidity or Viper to write your own app. So there's so much that you can do with Ethereum. It's unbelievable. That's why, why do you think it was the number 2 crypto that have launched as an NFT? Because there's so much value with Ethereum. And then you can see here are some figures on the NFT. Since its inception of the NFT, total on-chain holdings right now is over $12 billion. Just a little side note, Ethereum was the fastest, largest growing ETF ever launched in the history of ETFs too. So crypto is just taking off, especially Ethereum. Right now, Ethereum, here, we'll get into the prices here right now. Real quick, you can see all the different ETFs for Ethereum: Grayscale, BlackRock. There's a Grayscale Mini, Fidelity, Bitwise, Van Eck, Franklin, Templeton, Invesco, 21 shares. I mean, these are all major players in the stock market. So trillions and trillions of dollars that these companies are managing. It's unbelievable, the amount of money they're managing. So let me get right in here. We'll go right to CoinGecko. Right now, like I said, Ethereum's ranked number 2. You can see here right now the current price is $3,340. So it's flat right now on the day. So that's a good thing, the way the market's been going. You can see the range has been between 3306 to 3429. Market cap is $400 billion plus, number 2, only to Bitcoin. You can see circulating supply 120 million. Excuse me. Down here, all-time high was just under $5,000, $4,878. Excuse me, and that was back in November of 2021. So now we're looking at all-time low is 43 cents. Imagine getting Ethereum at 43 cents. That would only be a 774,000% gain. And that was less than, that's at its current price, less than 10 years. Pretty crazy. So just this last little dip we had, I ended up buying a little more Ethereum myself. So, but I look at this, people keep talking, is Ethereum gonna break its all-time high? Is going to be $5,000? Well, if it was $5,000, it'd put it at a $600 billion market cap. Totally going to happen. That's my opinion. Totally, we're going to blow by the 5,000. I really think Ethereum is going to get up to $10,000 to $15,000 anyway. I think it's going to hit 5 figures. So if it gets to $10,000, it's roughly a 3x. So on a 3x would roughly put Ethereum at $1.2 trillion. Could Ethereum be the next $1 trillion market cap coin following Bitcoin? I think it's going to be definitely the next one. So it's just, to me, we're going to get right into the charts now. I think this is going to be some last chance buying opportunity before we start our our rise to the $10,000 mark. But right now, looking at the chart on Ethereum, we'll see it's right at that key level of roughly 3,300. So we're hoping that holds. If this 3,300 level doesn't hold, maybe go even down to like 3,250. If that doesn't hold, we're definitely going to go down to like 3,000 to the 200-day moving average. So, but I think things are going to hold. It's been kind of battling. You can see here, I'll open this up a little bit. You can see the last, call it week, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, since last Friday or so. You can see, and even then, it's a week and a half that it started this little downtrend back down to the volume point of control. A lot of volume. This is a very, popular level here. It's like a magnet, whether the price is above it, pulling it down, or the price is below it, pulling it up. But right now, it's holding as a support level, which is good. You can see all these times it's come down, even wicked below it, but it's always been coming back up above it. So, and right now, it looks like the 50-day moving average, the purple line there, might be acting kind of like a little bit of resistance. So I really think we need to get above that. If we can get above that, like 3,500, we might have a little resistance around 3,500, 3,550. But once we can get above all of that, I think it's going to go right back up to $4,000. And then from there, we'll zoom out. You can see here on the weekly chart, and this is the first time in a little while, in a few weeks, that we've had a couple not green candles. These are colored. They're kind of a neutral, but leaning on a bearish side. And you can see the closes have been lower than the previous day's close. So we're waiting to watch this on the weekly as well. But looking at this, again, it looks like, the 20-day moving average, that, like I said, that $3,000 price range could be a magnet. We might, it did wick down there, 3,100. We might see that, and then I think it will definitely take off. Let's go to the all. We can see all on the monthly chart. The trend is still a bullish trend. You can see we're still trending up. Very strong wick there. Very strong candle right there. So right now we're, in the middle of the body of this candle during this month. So we'll see where we close, but on the long term, we're still in a bullish trend. So I really do think I'm still sticking with, I'm going to see a new all-time high of Ethereum by inauguration. And that's only 3 weeks away, 3.5 weeks away. But I think we can do it. I think we can get to here. That's my guess. By inauguration, Ethereum new all-time high. That's a bold prediction. But I really think long-term meaning over the next year in 2025, I will be a little bit surprised if we do not see a $10,000 plus Ethereum in 2025. So anyway, I mean, I'm not looking to trade this. This does not look like a good trade setup, so I'm not even going to say anything about that. But if someone's looking to add to their position, like I'll probably put another buy order in later today or tomorrow. And what I would do is, for me, what I would be looking at, depending what I do, I would still try to get like below 3,300. I think we're still going to see that. Maybe like 3,250, 3,275 is probably where I'm going to put a price in, right in that area. Just me, because that's how I am. I don't like the market buy. If it was Crypto Cody would be like, market buy, and he'd be hitting the button, bought, done. But for me, I'd probably look at, just below 3,300, like 3,288, because I like number 8, or 3,275, 3,250. I probably wouldn't go much below 3,250. So anyway, that's what I have on Ethereum. It's solid. It's not going there. And I really think it's going to be our next $1 trillion market cap coin. So anyway, I hope you liked the video. If you could, hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, leave a comment. All of that will really help us out. Thanks and have a great day.